Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Hey everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. I want to come on today and show you this fantastic place that Jon and I are staying in Prince Edward County. This is one of our favorite cottages that we find and book on Airbnb. And I said, why not show you guys around? So when you come through these doors, there's a staircase and this really large window, which I really like. I'm gonna show you what's up the staircase because they have not left any part of this place untouched, which is pretty cool. So there's like a little nook area. Jon's using it as his office today. Real estate never stops. And yeah, so there's like a cute little TV here for you guys to watch TV and a sound bar. This is considered a bedroom because that's a futon pull-out couch. So if you have extra guests, you guys can stay here. I think this place holds up to 6 people because there are 2 bedrooms, which I'm gonna show you in a sec. But yeah, as you can see, it's like a lot of windows. Even up here, and it's super bright, and you can see like all this greenery that's around this place. Now, when you come back downstairs, then you're gonna go over here into the kitchen and living room area, as well as the dining area, and look at this view. Isn't this so great? So the kitchen comes fully equipped. There's a fridge, microwave, knife set, there's your utensils or your plates, toaster. I love to cook, so obviously I brought my special spices. There's a dishwasher. Here is the stove area, the cooking area. So really nice finishes in this place as well. And what's great about an Airbnb, especially like a property like this, is that you don't really need to bring a lot of stuff because they give you all of the equipment that you'll need to cook. Obviously you want to go grocery shopping and pick up whatever you like, if that's what you want, or you can eat out every day. It's up to you, obviously. So over here is East Lake. That's what we're looking over. And you can see all these beautiful trees, this great big deck. Jon and I have been here in the summer as well. This is usually the cottage we rent in the summertime as well. And there's a great barbecue over here. We love like chilling outside, even during the winter time. Like it's so nice just to, you know, go out, get some nice cool fresh air and just really enjoy the view. It's super secluded over here, which is also very nice. So, you know, this is a pretty big glass house. These windows are floor to ceiling, so it's nice to have that privacy. So like I said, this is the kitchen area. This is my little office over here. I got my DJI drone going because I'm gonna show you guys outside the property some more. Then you have this beautiful lounge area with this stunning fireplace. I love a fireplace. We always have the fire going. And yeah, this is how this area of this home looks, and it is so cute. All right, you guys, let's show you guys the bedrooms and how they look. So when you go to your left here, you're gonna see your first bedroom. We're not staying in this room, but we just put our luggage here. Look at our handy dandy Swiss gear hard case roller. Love that suitcase. So this is one of the bedrooms. They both look the same with this double-sized bed. The mattresses are super comfy and so are the pillows. They also come fully equipped with all the towels that you're gonna need for your stay. I really like this bed. I just want to mention that again because the worst thing about some Airbnbs is when you go and the mattress is horrible, or they usually have like those memory foam mattresses that really suck. Through this door here is a fully equipped bathroom. Really, really nice and clean and spacious. I love a nice, clean place. This Airbnb is fantastic for that. Like they really went out of their way to make sure that everything is spick and span. So this bedroom here is the bedroom that Jon and I are staying at. Again, just like the one that we saw before with these great, tall, bright windows. Really like that. And the closet space is really, really nice as well. So this is our Airbnb, guys. I'm gonna leave the link below for you guys to check it out. And if you guys wanna book, this is honestly such a great place to come when you want to escape, when you guys just want to be alone. It's just Jon and I here, or if you want to have family and friends come visit as well. So check it out and let us know what you think.
You should go You should go back home.